Sustainable nutrition refers to dietary practices that prioritize health, environmental preservation, and social equity. It emphasizes consuming food in a way that meets current nutritional needs while ensuring future generations can also access sufficient, nutritious, and safe food. This concept integrates personal health with environmental and ethical considerations. Key principles of sustainable nutrition: 1. Environmentally friendly. Focus on foods with a lower environmental footprint, such as plant-based options. Reduce reliance on resource-intensive foods like red meat and dairy. Support agricultural practices that minimize greenhouse gas emissions, water usage, and deforestation. 2. Nutritionally balanced. Ensure meals provide adequate vitamins, minerals, and macronutrients. Prioritize whole, minimally processed foods for better health outcomes. 3. Ethically produced. Choose products that promote fair labor practices and animal welfare. Support local farmers and producers to foster equitable food systems. 4. Waste reduction. Minimize food waste by planning meals, repurposing leftovers, and composting. Opt for sustainable packaging or bulk buying to reduce plastic use. 5. Cultural and economic sensitivity. Adapt recommendations to align with local cultural traditions and economic realities. Promote affordability and accessibility for all. Examples of sustainable nutrition practices: adopting a plant-based or flexitarian diet, choosing seasonal and locally sourced foods, limiting ultra-processed foods and single-use packaging, educating communities about sustainable food choices. By combining health, environmental care, and ethical considerations, sustainable nutrition aims to create a better future for individuals and the planet.